Alright guys, so we have some new information in the case of 18-year-old Anna Kepner after she tragically and suddenly passed away on a Carnival Horizon cruise ship earlier this month. According to someone from law enforcement, there is surveillance footage of Anna right before she passed away with a suspect. This suspect has been identified as her 16-year-old stepbrother. According to documents, her stepbrother was taken into custody during the initial part of the investigation for a period of time, but he has since been released and is currently staying with an unknown party. Now, according to Anna Kepner's stepmother, Chantel's ex, their 18-year-old son moved in with him or wanted to move in with him after a violent altercation ensued between their child, their oldest son, and Chris, Anna's father. He also claims in his court filing that since Chantel moved in with Chris, Anna's father, she has provided an unstable and volatile environment and living condition for their children. He references one incident where one of their children attempted to jump out of a moving vehicle during a confrontation between Chantel and Chris. Chantel's response to this accusation confirms that one of their sons did try to jump out of a moving vehicle. However, she and Chris were only attempting to prevent him from jumping out of the vehicle, not because there was an altercation ensuing, but because he was trying to jump out of the vehicle so that he could stay behind in Hernando County with his girlfriend. In these filings, she denies any allegations of physical altercations between her, Chris, Anna's father, and her eldest child from this previous marriage. She states that a judge even previously denied the father's attempt to file a DV injunction against her in an attempt to undermine his allegations. She actually says that this ex is the one who put their children in harm's way, highlighting the fact that he was the one that allowed their oldest child to live with a girlfriend, hindering her ability to see him at one point, and states that two of the remaining minor children refused to visit their father due to what she described as issues of DV on his part. On page 2 of this specific document, like we've discussed the other day, it says there is an open investigation regarding the death of the biological daughter of the stepfather, and their 16-year-old son TH is a suspect regarding this death, which occurred recently on a cruise ship. She states that both parties signed a stipulation around November 17th, 2025, placing this 16-year-old with a relative to ensure the safety of the remaining children as the FBI continues this investigation. Chantel said in these documents that she believes that her ex, the father of her sons, is trying to fast-track their custody case following Anna's tragic death, and she believes that that is wrong. According to sources close to this investigation, they appear to be investigating not only the fact that there may have been an altercation physically that ensued between Anna and her stepbrother before her death, but they're also exploring several other options of potential scenarios, including the possibility of a medical OD or emergency.